Costco just stocked their garden center for spring, and some of these plants are an amazing deal. But a few honestly aren't worth it at all. So I'm going to show you exactly what I found, what was bought, and what I would skip if I were you. If you're in California, everything is really early this year, and Costco is fully loaded right now with hydrangeas, dahlias, citrus trees, palms, vegetable starts, ground covers, and even outdoor furniture. Everywhere you look, there's more and more opportunity to make your garden more spectacular this year. Let's start with the flowering plants, because this is where Costco really grabs your attention. The hydrangeas are big, full, and already blooming, which gives you that instant garden impact. These are usually a really good value compared to nurseries, especially for the size. The dahlias are another one that's hard to walk past. You're getting a lot of color right away, and they're perfect if you want that summer bloom show, because these plants, face it, are spectacular. They're bright and bold and come in so many different colors. And then there are all the Costco bedding plants. They're great for filling containers or empty spots in your garden fast. And they're also still carrying bare roots and some bulbs, some selected varieties that can add color to your garden too, and peonies and lavender, and there's just a lot to choose from. I would say these are worth it if you want quick color and impact, but just keep in mind, you'll still need to give them good soil and consistent water to keep them looking great. I can testify to the acid anthera. I bought some of these bulbs and they have come up already, and that was only less than a month ago. That was my last video that I did at Costco, so you can check that one out too. So well done, Costco. Now this is where Costco can really save you money. Trees.
Here's a lime.
The citrus selection right now is really solid. You'll usually find lemons, limes, or oranges, and the size for the price is typically much better than what you'd find at a nursery. Got a real kick out of this fruit tree, multi-budded with 3 different fruits on it. Oh my gosh. But this is where you really want to slow down and actually check the plant. Look at the leaves, check for any damage, and if you can, peek at the root structure. Same with the palms. They give you that instant structure and height in the garden, which can take years to achieve otherwise. So for trees, I'd say definitely worth it. Just be a little more selective when you're choosing. And believe me, there's a lot to choose from as far as fruit trees, palm trees, and sequoias. They've got a massive amount of trees right now at Costco. Just have a look at this maple. Isn't that beautiful? So pretty. If you're starting a vegetable garden, this might be one of the best sections at Costco. Tomatoes and peppers are usually sold in multi-packs, which makes them one of the cheapest ways you can get your garden going, and get it going right away. And I have to say, we looked these over really good, and the tomato plants and pepper plants looked really healthy, so you're going to get some plants that are healthy from the start. And right now is pretty much the perfect time to plant in California. So these are ready to go straight into the ground or into containers or raised beds. Yep. This is one of these easy yes categories, especially if you want to grow food without spending a lot. look healthy.
Yeah.
I can almost taste that fresh homemade salsa right now. Can't wait. These are all tomatoes. And for those of you strawberry lovers, don't you worry. Costco has plenty of strawberry plants ready to go, ready to be put out in your garden in containers already, with strawberry fruit just about ready to pick and more fruit on its way. I like the concept of this lettuce grow, this farm nook lettuce grow, but I don't know if that's worth the money. Costco had a good selection of flowering plants and ground covers and filler plants. These are great if you're looking to cover space quickly or the garden bed altogether. And I always like the idea of getting these huge containers and just filling them with color, because what makes spring and summer but lots and lots of color? And these Alströmerias, they really love California weather and the sunshine.
Sunflowers already.
And believe it or not, Costco, California already has sunflowers. That's right, the sunflowers are already out.
Flower on that. Is that pretty?
But me and my friend Liz, we kept going back to these beautiful dahlias. They had a lot of colors to choose from and really stunning petals and just pretty as can be. Just look at the gorgeous shape of those petals. So beautiful. That would make any garden shine. They just level up the garden. I love dahlias. And Costco has everything that you need to grow those plants and to put them in the ground or into the raised beds right away. You've got your soil, you've got mulch, earthworm castings. They've got it all, and it's all right there in one place, and even some containers. And these are really nice. I wanted to get one of these, but I passed it up this time. But I thought it was a pretty good deal. And yes, there's a hole in the bottom. I always check. So Costco could be this year your one-stop shop. Get everything you need for the garden right there, including fountains, different decorative features, wind spinners, and chimes. There's everything that you could possibly want for your garden right there. All that decor and more. However, I did notice that the wind spinners at Costco have really gone up, and that is something I would definitely pass on, because the price has increased so much over the years on the wind spinners at Costco. So you could really find that somewhere else at a better price.
That's pretty good for a trellis. I have a couple that are kind of like that, but more narrow.
And then, of course, Costco, being Costco, it's not just about plants. They had outdoor furniture, planters, and other garden pieces that can really help pull a space together and make your garden space a really fun, enjoyable place to be for you and your friends and family. Yeah, Costco has really stepped up the game as far as outdoor furniture. They have a lot of styles to choose from. And if I was in the market, I'd consider going to Costco for outdoor furniture. So overall, I do think Costco is worth checking out right now, especially for the hydrangeas, the citrus trees, and the vegetable starts. And oh yeah, the dahlias, those beautiful dahlias. Let me know what your Costco has right now, because it can vary a lot depending on location. And I'm always curious what everybody else finds at their Costco. And well, my friend Liz couldn't pass up these dahlias. And that's what got put in the van today. Thanks a lot, Costco. We had fun.